We left Sarajevo and headed into the mountains, ready for 2 quiet days away from the city. We arrived at the vacation house in the afternoon. After a short break, we went out for a quick run around the nearby lake before sunset. On day 2, we started right from the house and made our way towards the Outlaws Door. Our original plan was to climb 2 major summits, then head back to the same way before sunset.
Only 1 kilometer. I'm already exhausted. Didn't wear hiking boots with my trail runners. That was underprepared. That's the peak. It feels like in UTMB now. Just met another 2 hikers. We're coming from up there, down there. Go to this place. Now it's speed mode. Now the way is almost flat, I'd say, not so technical. Still a little bit up and down. Small powder here. Beautiful. We're roughly 1 hour or 1 kilometers from our destination, and then we decide to go back the easier route all the way down. No more summit. Now it's a bit late. I guess now it's around 3 or 3:30. It will be dark at around 8:30, so we hope we can get out of the mountain before that. We are turning to the different route here. This is a cross section. We'll go to the reservoir. Don't know how to see that. Going downhill. I'm not really good at it, but we'll see. Nice view in the valley. Hello. Hello there. So we're approaching the main road to see if we are lucky enough to stop a car. We will see. This morning we were completely inside the mountain, and now we are back to the valley again. What a day. I liked it. It's hard, but it wasn't really dangerous compared to Iceland. I cannot wait to have a proper dinner. I'm really hungry. Our last meal was in the morning, around 9. We had a huge breakfast with a lot of bread and cheese. And then we departed. Until now I had an apple and some oats bar or something like that, and some water. I even don't have electrolytes, so it's really underprepared. Yeah, Alexa. So we almost walked back. Turned out nobody wants to take us. Because we're shocked. The sky is beautiful. We finally arrived at our vacation house. Now it's 8:36. How long we have been walking? Yeah, 9 hours. What a view. The sky is beautiful. Our vacation house. Woohoo!